Hey, on the Barbecue Butcher today in the mail, I got my first box of Waimarie grass-fed beef from New Zealand. This stuff is awesome and can't wait to get it out there for you all to try. And if you need more info, let me know. It's in the link below. So what we've got in here is a big grass-fed New Zealand Scotch fillet or cube roll or ribeye, many different names. That looks nice. And then we've got a tenderloin or eye fillet. Chain off, I love it how they take the chain off, so much better. My favorite cut is a sirloin, as you can see here, or a strip loin. They've taken the chain off, that's nice. Look at that, all squared up. That is good. It's gonna eat great. We'll get these cut up on another video, but I'm just showing you all what the Waimarie Meats New Zealand looks like. This is all grass-fed. Send me an email or a message and we can help you out where to get this from. And this is a rump. So we're going to get that on, we'll take the rump cap off and we'll do a video on that. And just as I said before, this is new Waimarie grass-fed beef range that the Barbecue Butcher can help you find, and we're going to get this out there. And thanks for watching, see you on the next video.